MBM Corporation presents the Destroyit 2503 Centralized Office Model Business Shredder with automatic function and a 10¼ inch feed opening. Our innovative easy switch control element ensures simple and intuitive operation. The quiet, powerful 3/4 horsepower single-phase motor provides a shred capacity of up to 21 sheets in the strip cut version and up to 14 sheets in the crosscut. The strip cut version and the level 3 crosscut version are suitable for the destruction of CDs and DVDs. Our precision cutting shafts are constructed entirely of high-grade hardened steel and are backed by a lifetime warranty. Safety features include an electronically controlled transparent safety shield in the feed opening. It is part of the SPS safety package, which sets the standard when it comes to operational safety. With a 26-gallon shred volume, the pull-out bag frame allows for neat and easy shred emptying. The 2503 also comes with an environment-friendly energy-saving mode. Destroyit. Quality made in Germany.